All right, hello everyone. Rob here with a really short tutorial. This is one of the lessons that we kind of teach in the coding classroom of the school group. And it's a very basic lesson here. And we're going to be talking about string methods. Now, the two that I want to focus on in this video is going to be the lowercasing of a string and uppercasing of a string, because we can treat the string as a whole and lowercase the entire thing by utilizing a very simple string method. And make sure you stay tuned towards the end of this video, because we're going to show you a bunch of code, and even with your skill level that you're at right now, you'll be able to solve the problem by utilizing one of these string methods. And I'm going to show you what are some potential use cases as well. So let's go ahead and dive right into the code. Right, so now that we're in the code here, notice that I have this first name, Michelle, and it is a mix of characters of uppercase and lowercase. Matter of fact, if we go ahead and hit the run button right now, we get that same uppercase and lowercasing effect that you see right there in the console. Now, if I wanted to make this all lowercase, all I'd have to do is come in here and add a dot. We're going to be utilizing a string method. So we want to say to, and then uppercase the lower, and then the case right here. So I just have to type that out, and then I need to invoke it by utilizing the left and right parentheses. So now we can go ahead and hit the run button, and notice that Michelle, it's no longer uppercase and lowercase, it's all one casing, which is lowercase. Now, what if we wanted to uppercase this? We can just type in here to uppercase, and we still want that left and right parenthesis to be in there. And so if we hit the run button on it, notice that it is all capitalized. Now, this comes into play when it's very important when we're trying to do comparisons. So let's look at this example here. All right. So I created a first name 1. I kept it the exact same as what we had the last time. And then I just created another first name 2, and I changed around some uppercasing and lowercasing. And when we read this as a human, they both are the same, right? And so in JavaScript, we can go ahead and add a triple equal, and we can say, does first name equal first name 2? So I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and console log this. I'm going to hit the run button. And to us humans, that would be true, right? Like, hey, Michelle is Michelle. But when we're talking about something like this, hey, they're not equal, because if I look at the very first letter, this is a lowercase m and that's an uppercase M, and that is technically different. And so what we can do to make this all on equal playing field, whether we don't care whether or not it is an uppercase or a lowercase, but if we convert the first thing here to lowercase and we do the same thing to the other one, now it's on the same playing field, right? Because this lowercase here equals the other lowercase down there. So now if we run this, instead of getting false, we should get true, okay? Now, the thing that I want you to understand with this is I could have done to uppercase and it would have done the same thing, okay? So you just have to pick which one you are utilizing, and that is what's going to make it equate to the same. So let me go ahead and change that to uppercase, and we'll test that out also. So let's go ahead and run that, and I should get another true down here, which I do, okay? So with that being said, I want you to go ahead and take a look at this CodePen that I kind of created here for us. And what I want you to do is I want you to click on this right here. It's going to load it with some student names in the drop-down menu. But notice how they are all properly cased. What I would like you to do is see if you can take a look at this code somewhere by adding a string method to get it to display all in uppercase. And again, you don't need to know a lot about JavaScript at this point. And right now, I even have something that's down here that's kind of making it like a decoy to kind of look at. You see a toLowerCase here, but you're wondering why is it not going all to lowercase? There's no bug in this, but there's something on this page where all you have to do is add toUpperCase, and it will change the output of this to go from what you're seeing now, and then their names are all going to be uppercase. Now, if you do end up getting this, make sure you put a post in the comments that you got it. Give me a screenshot or something, because I really enjoy that type of feedback. So hopefully you did enjoy this lesson and you got something out of it. Like I said, please take a look at our school that we have, which is called the Code Zone School, where we do this type of thing all the time. All right. So until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.